Hi, I am Jo from Textile Crafts and I am a fibre artist. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just spinning up one of my last orders for the beginning of this year, and I'm making a super locky hand spun yarn in a 4-ply. So I hope you enjoy this. It's only going to be very short because I can only upload short videos, and it won't have a thumbnail because I can't have thumbnails yet. But I hope you enjoy this short video of me spinning this yarn up. This is absolutely stunning, and I will try and get the end yarn in this video as well. If you like this type of thing, you can comment in the comments below this video, or you can comment on the community page and let me know what type of things you'd be interested in watching me do. If you want me to do more little tiny spinning videos, I'm quite happy to do that. But if you want to learn any of these techniques that I can do, I have another channel where I teach you how to do this, and that is Jo's Paradise of Colour. Colour is C-O-L-O-R. I can't put links in to my descriptions, unfortunately, and I cannot put links into the comments yet. So yeah. So yeah, just let me know if you enjoy this type of thing, as well as crafty things in the comments below. Enjoy. Oh, please come and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for all if you'd like to see all the videos I put up, and please thumbs up this video as well, to help it get seen to more people. Also want to thank everyone for joining me that have subscribed and enjoy my content. I have been spinning yarn for 15 years, and I am a freestyle spinner, which means I spin all of the different techniques of yarn, and I have been teaching people how to spin all types of yarns since for about 6 to 8 years now. This would be classed as an advanced technique because you need very good hand-eye coordination. It can be a quite expensive yarn to make as well, because you need Angora kid mohair locks, and this is the most expensive part, as well as the base fibre, which is a Cashmere silk blend. That's Cashmere, Merino and silk. But yeah, this is my most popular yarn that sells the most, but I only offer this type of yarn in custom orders because it does take me a week to complete the entire thing. So I'm just going to do short snips of the entire process, but for example on how long this takes, like I said, a week all up, including the fibre preparation, the dyeing, and then the spinning takes 3 days. But I'm going to get this into just under 15 minutes. Enjoy. You can find my other link in the playlist that I have provided on my channel. They are from my other channel. So if you click on any of those videos in those playlists, it will take you to my other channel, and then you can subscribe to me there as well. Especially if you want to learn how to spin your own yarns for your projects, and if you want to learn how to dye and weave as well. So I almost got finished with the fibre, to spin it, but I ran out of locks. So I need to preparate another preparate. I need to prep another probably 10 grams of this. It's gonna take time, takes so long just to do the locks. I have run out of locks about 3 times now in this piece, so it's taken a lot longer to get done. But I will show a quick tutorial how to prep your locks to spin. I will add it into this one. So you grab your staple, and I'm trying to find a good one. So this is a bit matty, but I'll show you how to separate the good to the bad. So you just run your finger along the lock until you get a good curly one, and you pull it out and you pull all the knots out and the VM, and then you separate it, and there's 2 little locks ready to go. And put that in your pile. And you get rid of all the matty stuff and the short ends and separate it from the good. There's a good one to a point, and there's your mat, and you chuck that in the bin, and you continue to do that until you've done the amount that you need. I prefer the more linearly locks because they are more defined than the other ones, but there are more silky ones, and they are not as crimpy as the more like these ones. They can be harder to separate because they're a lot more knotty and matted together, but you just find a section that is open in the middle and you pull it like so. And if you need, you can cut the ends if they're a bit matted, or if they've got a bit of lanolin or vegetable matter and straw. Just snip it off, and then you separate them into really fine locks, and then you put them in your basket. I'm going to continue, and then I will start back up when I'm plying. Enjoy. That is my chair, not the other. I'm gotta find somewhere to put the scissors. Next, I'm on to the plying, and I will be using a very thin mulberry silk. Thank you so very much for joining me. Here is the end results of this spin. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I still have probably about 4 hours left of plying to finish the third one. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, if you do want to learn how to make this, I do have a couple videos up on my other YouTube, Joe's Paradise of Colour, that I've added in the last week to 2 weeks. Also have a few other videos up there as well, sharing how to make this. So go and have a look. You can get the link from any of the videos that I have put in the playlist for the videos from my other channel. And yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the black notification bell for all to see all my uploads in the future. Bye for now.